Uy, maulan! Record mo na yung rainy season.
Grabe ng hangin yan, no?
I lived long enough in the city to watch the seasons come and go. Moved in and out of 3 apartments, got and killed a few plants, ate a lot at home,
Itadakimasu!
It's dinner!
Sarsyadong bangus.
cooked a little,
Pretty!
It's a wow! Like, how is that possible? Ang gagawin ko ngayon ay mag-contribute dito sa ating lumpiang shopar. Grabe ito talaga, grabe. Wow.
Para magamit naman natin yung biceps mo. Pakita mo yung biceps mo.
Ayun, no?
Oh, puta.
Uy,
Kiss
uy,
pa yan.
uy. Kakainis.
then went out to eat more. I walked off all those calories and played around like a kid.
Pwede kaya ako pumitas?
Sige. Guard! May pumipitas, oh. Tingin, tingin.
Celebrated the special and the ordinary, and slowly filled these spaces with new and old things.
Aliman, Inya.
Malay.
This place had seen it all. The routines I swore I'd stick to, the hobbies I tried, and the random things my friends and I got up to.
Bakit naman knife? Yes! Ang ganda, oh, golden brown, no?
And while I'll miss this part of my life, I'll be taking more than I leave behind.
One.
Go!
Oh. Para talaga yung ano, no? Nagkasimento ka. Alam mo yung simento? Oo nga, no? I need 2 hands.
I tried making pasta from scratch for the first time,
Oops, nag-take over na po siya. Paipa-ipa na posisyon, no? Nakakahimay pala to, mga insan.
with just 2 ingredients. I thought it was easy, until it wasn't. All good things take time, they say. At first, I'd say it to comfort myself every time something didn't go my way. Turns out they were right. Better things came along, just not how or when I expected. Like the secondhand stuff we got at a good price while lurking around Facebook Marketplace. Or this bouldering route I struggled to send. I think I just gained enough muscles from trying and trying that I actually did it the next day.
Yan, okay na yan? That's my work of art.
For this pasta that took so much time and arm strength that when I finally got to eat it, it tasted 5 times better than anything store-bought. We were at a cafe in Capitolio every weekend or so. There was just something about them that felt curated yet homey. This one was right next to a pottery studio, so they had all kinds of unique cups, plates, and bowls. To be honest, I can't remember if their drinks and pastries were any good, but it was nice just sitting there with a matcha or coffee and watching the rain outside. When every cafe is called one of the best, or a hidden gem, or a must-try, it can feel overwhelming just choosing one. So on days when I don't want to think hard about it, I always come back to a personal favorite. There's comfort in returning to places you already know, Like how I already know to order a matcha latte with oat milk or a yen for coffee at Couch Club.
Ganun ang tamang.
For reasons I'd like to think were meant to be, aka out of my control, I had to leave the place I called home for years. That's just how it is when you're a renter. My registered permanent address is still my parents' house in the province. My home is always temporary. It was temporary, but it was home. So I'll miss this place, the place where I figured out the kind of life that I want. I'll miss walking around Greenfield just to earn my steps and people watch. I miss the Capitolio cafes that were close enough I could walk or bike there. I miss Pioneer Center, where the best grocery finds seemed to be and the low-key good restos were. I miss Climb Central, where I got a gym membership for the first time ever. I never thought I'd pay just to work out. I miss the little surprises like finding my favorite pako at this vegetable stand that we saw randomly. Maybe I'll watch this video from time to time and think,